All right, I have the coolest little smartphone gadget from Apixel. This is a macro lens, so you can get up really, really close to anything and you can see it super clearly, record it in 4K, and it works really well. So you have the lens here that screws onto this mount. You line up the hole with your lens and you can see it clearly through the bigger lens right here. And you can adjust the focus depending on how close you are to that object. And I mean, this thing, look at this footage. This is taken from my phone with this lens. And also, if you're going to get like right on it, you're going to lose a lot of light, which is what you're going to need. So they have this light here that will actually screw on to that lens. And then you can power on the light. And you can also have different controls if you want, like the top part or the bottom part or all of them, and even different color temperatures. So you can have a cooler temperature or a warmer temperature, or both of them together. You can also adjust the brightness of it right here. There's 3 different brightness modes, and it comes with the USB-C cord to charge it. And it's just a phenomenal pair. It just makes it really fun to play around with this thing and see all the tiny things and, yeah, get that good of footage. So if you're looking for a cool macro lens for your phone, I highly recommend this one. It's so good. And thanks for watching.